you. Today we are discuss about project title selection. Myself Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja. So let me start about how to decide the project title and project guideline session for UG and PG student. The most important thing is technology selection. Undergraduate students means students they are doing BCA, BSc IT, BTech, something like this. Undergraduate students platform should be a web based platform or website building is suitable or preferable, but you can develop the project for desktop application, computer graphics, smartphone, game development and all. If your platform is decided, then very first important thing is front end and back end. You can take the most demandable technology because it is a rule for demand and supply. So nowadays in this 2021 you can take PHP, ASP, Java, Python, Android, etc. And for backend database you can select MySQL and SQL Server. Technology selection is a very important aspect for the students according to your degree. If you are having a studying BE or BTech, you should definitely go for any Java platform or Android platform. And if you are doing for BCA, BSc IT or any another bachelor degree course, you should go for PHP and ASP.NET. For technology selection for masters or PG graduate students, Android, website, data analytics, gaming, web designing, this platform are preferable. Means after your master degree, if you want a good job then and within a very good high scale, you should go for such type of platform like Android, and in master degree you should upgrade yourself about technology. According to the platform, you guys know very well, front end PHP. In a PHP there are so many frameworks are available. You can take any emerging or latest framework. If you will go for ASP.NET, you must understand about MVC, model view control, Flutter for Android development, Java, R language. This is again for data analytics and data mining and all. Python for web designing, you know that one, React, JavaScript, Node JavaScript, etc. These are the front end, and for back end, these are the same. MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and the student they are going for particularly data analytics, data mining, big data analysis, data science. You can go for Hadoop also. So I think technology part is clear for UG students and master's students. Now the important thing is tips for project area. Means place or area that you want to frame your project title. Technology is a bifurcation according to your study level, but for project area in your family, if you have any business, then give first priority for own business only. If you have a small entrepreneurship or a small business running in your home and family only, as you can see that one in this animation, one manufacturing unit is there, helmet shop is there, and shopping mall is there. If you have any type of business, you should go for your own business project because charity begins with home. Within the same thing, your own business data you can find it easily. After completing UG or PG level, if your project is success and your hard work speaks, you can give your project to your family business and it will be a credential, and it is a healthy practice for all that things. Don't run behind any paid project or paid project training, something like that, because some of the companies are taking money for project development. They are not giving the real internship and all that things. So please be careful If you are studying BTech, BE, MTech, MCA, BCA or BSc IT, it should be charity begins with home. For project area, you must aware about the project is on product based project, that is called e-commerce level 1. For example, I would like to say that if you want to purchase one sports shoes from Amazon or Flipkart, this is e-commerce level 1 or product based business. Online shopping where you make a payment and you will receive the product or physical product. Second, this is a service level product, and service level project is known as e-commerce level 2, where you can book something, a service. You guys know very well, uh, nowadays movie ticket is also booking by such type of things, where you can select your movie screen and your seats also. Book My Show, and there are so many mobile apps are available where service based project is working. The most important thing, students, if you will go for a service based project, it is most important, because nowadays CRM, customer relationship management, is very much important. If you are care for your customer, your business will grow a lot. So you can focus about customer feedback, customer review and customer analysis, or customer feedback analysis management system. And in service level also you can go for some LIC project, some mutual fund projects, and all that things are there. Nowadays you people know that when we will give the order on online food delivery, there is Zomato, Swiggy, there are lots of popular apps are available. This business is a daily based business, means if you want to purchase a shoes or your book or your laptop or your mobile, it is just once in a month, or frequently, not frequently, maybe 6 months or 1 year you are buying from any online shopping app like Amazon and Flipkart and all. But now in a metro city, in, when husband, wife and all the families are very much busy, they are daily basis they are giving the order of food to Zomato and Swiggy. So service based industries is comparatively more demand. If you will go for any share stock market, LIC, policy management or mutual fund or food delivery management system, this is all about e-commerce level 2, that is called service based business. Intermediate level of computer, intermediate level of e-commerce, where you want to book something, transaction like online share, where the commission is there. If you want to buy some property, if you want to take some rental home, or if you want to book any resort and multi-level things, that is taking a commission from buyer as well as seller. I should give an example about Trivago traveling mobile app is there. When you book your pure traveling package, they have a commission from hotelier people. They take a commission from your booking amount also. They have some booking, mass booking commission from flight or train booking and all that things. So this is called intermediate level. There are so many property apps are also there, where you can do or you can go like that, radbricks.com, and so many apps are there. So this is e-commerce level 3, and computer based game, that you know very well, that you can develop one game. I think tips for project area, and again I would like to say that if you have your family business, kindly focus your family business project first. These are the some general project title, but these are so many general bases. So if you want to take a good marks or higher score, more than 80 or 90% in your UG or PG level, don't take such type of application, but these are the example of the project title how we can frame. Library management system, college management system, airline reservation system, mobile management system, mobile shopping project management, blood bank management system, social networking site, online voting system, college admission system, institute management system, attendance management system, online examination system, and hospital management system. Such type of projects, well, these projects are really very common, very general, and these are the just a title that I am just sharing with you guys. But as I mentioned at the bottom of the slide, your project title should be different. If you want to take a good marks, your title really good, go for that. And I would like to go to in previous slide. Yes, where my cursor is moving, you can see that one. This is a manufacturing unit where this clip art, one lady is making this particular finished product to the cart. Friends, if you have an industries of manufacturing, there are a lots of scope of 4 to 5 project title definition. Whenever you purchase the raw material from the suppliers, you can frame your title for supplier management system. Once raw material is coming to your industries, then raw material is processed, then it is a manufacturing part. So you can develop your project about manufacturing quality management system for so and so industries. After completing manufacturing, whenever the project is done or product is done, that product is always having a packaging. So the third title is packaging of so and so manufacturing industries. After packaging, it is a very important that stocks, because your finished product come to the store and store always manage the stock. So you can frame the title about that manufacturing unit. If you have your business in your family, then stock management system for XYZ industries. The last and most important, distribution of finished product. So distribution management, online distribution management, web-based distribution management, or smartphone distribution management, or distributor management system for XYZ industries. So guys, don't run behind the general title or general project. If you want to develop your own project, your title framing is very important, because first impression is last impression. Whenever examiner will see the common title or project general title such like this, he or she, the examiner, always judge that this group is an average group. But if you want to make yourself different than other people, then you should have selecting different title. Now I think you people are clear about the project title, project area, project technology. We should discuss about some of the project module. What is the project title? Because there are so many students are always confused, either they are UG students or PG students, about the modules. So what is module and all, we will cover in this video only. PHP, nowadays PHP is very much in demand. If you will go for PHP job searching for freshers, you will definitely find more than 20 or 30 jobs easily available for freshers also. So here we are discuss about some of the PHP projects that you can select as a PHP title. So list of web development projects in PHP, that already discussed within some of module also. Very first project that we would like to discuss about billing system in PHP with the source code. That source code you should develop according to this module. So the thing is, billing system in PHP is a simple system development PHP MySQL database using HTML, CSS, Cascade style sheet, and Bootstrap, JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, and another model you can use it as a front end. and as a backend MySQL. This billing system project PHP contains an admin side where admin can manage all the billing activity. Client's information, the admin plays an important role in the management of system. In this project, all main functions are performed from admin side only. So for billing management, if you will go for a PHP, that we already discussed about client sign up, the product price, product combo offers, then client place the order, then make payment, how the clients are making payment. These are the particular modules that we can involve in this billing system. So admin play a key important role. Now second project we would like to discuss about loan management system project in PHP, not with source code, but the source code will develop by you guys only. The loan management system in PHP admin will populated the list of borrowers, type of loan, the loan plan. This data will be used for determining and filtering the request and active loans. Means some of the peoples are already taken the loan. This project is useful for new clients, existing clients, and the clients who already paid up the loan, they are free from loan. So this is one of the very nice project, because loan management system is also one type of service based particular project. And as I already discussed with you guys, service industries are definitely in present era also, that is very much in boom and popular. In future also service industries is always in market. This website development project, bank loan management system project in PHP, has ability to calculate the monthly payment, EMI, the EMI that is bounce, paid EMI, non-paid EMI, current borrowers or the people they are already taken the loans, new client they are joining, validating, authentication, and depending on various type of loan plan. As you guys know that one, there is car loan, house loan, insurance, and so many things are there. And this is a really very nice project for the service base. This is one of the common project in listed, that is hostel management system in PHP. In this particular website development project in PHP, with the source code has significant features of a admin fact of this method have the potential to verify the booking, area reservation, and cancellation of transactions, add, update, delete area, amenities, room types, user, view comments, issues, completely different reports. Where if you are managing the hostels, then so many students are facing some problems, so you can go within a complaint management system for XYZ hostels. You can use that hostel name in XYZ. If you can go within a hostel fees management system for XYZ hostel, room booking process for XYZ hostel management system. There are pretty good 4 to 5 project definition you can create within your own things. If you want to develop the website, please kindly add web-based or online word within this. Suppose online complaint management system for XYZ hostel, online room booking management system for XYZ hostels, web-based payment and amenities management system for XYZ hostels, where add, update, delete, hostel rector will be an admin, and the student they are staying into the hostels, and there are types of rooms: AC room, non-AC rooms, spatial rooms, semi-facial spatial rooms. Nowadays hostels are also providing in a very variety of these things, like the hotel also. But I must say that one, each and every hostel has a type of room, so according to that you can go for hostel management system also. Employee record management system for project. This is also again a service based project and very much demand in all type of companies. Companies hire the employees, but if they want to track the employee work, daily basis work, monthly work, and employee performance or appraisal type, This is very nice project for employee management system in PHP software used by business to combine the number of necessary HR function. Human resource management will always not only recruit the person or employee, but they provide the training, internship, salary, increment, and all that things. So HR function such as storing employee data, managing payrolls, recruitment process, leave management, benefit of administration, keeping track about attendance, and daily worksheet. Nowadays in IT industries, this is very much important that each and every HR person requires such type of important project where daily worksheet management system for employee record management. According to that worksheet only, nowadays employee will get the promotion or the department internship, then department training, interchange of department on so many things. So employee record management system that you can develop 4 to 5 projects on that, where recruiting employment of XYZ companies, training management या web based training management system for employee of XYZ limited companies, leave management system for XYZ, online leave management system for XYZ companies private limited and all. Next is online hospital management. Friends, hospital healthcare is very much promising and demanding, especially in this pandemic situation of COVID-19. Healthcare is on the top of the priority for each and every people. So the hospital management system PHP, where again you can use CSS, responsive website, bootstrap website, PHP, JavaScript, and all that things you use as a front end, MySQL or SQL server as a backend. This hospital management system in PHP is registered the patients for the hospital, means OPD and IPD. A patient, they are taking the counseling with the doctors and they are not admit into the hospital. This is OPD. IPD means a patient, they are hospitalization for 1 day, 2 day according to the illness. This is the category of that. It can be stored the disease details, that prescriptions and treatment by the doctors. You can go within a patient feedback and analysis management for XYZ hospital online basis or web basis, because nowadays customer relationship management, feedback, these are very much important. Guys, if I'm not wrong, if you will go to purchasing any phone, you are definitely go for reviews. A phone, they are having reviews 4.2 or 4.5, and more than 1 lakh or 2 billion or 2 million people are giving 4 star for that phone or smartphone. You will definitely buy that particular smartphone of your budget according to 10,000, 15,000, 12,000, 18,000. So nowadays that review, feedback of customers or clients, these are very much important. So for hospital industries also, you can think upon that the patient review, patient feedback, and according to that analysis are there. Blood bank, this is the most noble and social work that you can think about your blood bank management system project, where also you can use within PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Of course, nowadays that website must be bootstrap or responsive. In particular, this project, the modules are admin and user side project. All the management can be handled by the administration, such as managing blood donors, the people who are donating the bloods regularly, so that is handling by admin. Checking the stock in a blood bank, the type of blood groups are available and what is the current stocks are available in blood bank. This is managed by admin. Blood needed request, a person who required the blood, according to their request, the admin manage this thing. Adding the nation, state, region, area, if you will go for online web base or website base, This is again India, then country having states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Bengal, Chennai, Kolkata, Tamil Nadu. Into that particular states, there are districts are there like in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Surat, Gandhinagar, Junagadh, Rajkot, Somnath. So according to that, you can manage the complete blood database, world level or India level or state level, where admin manage all the things. In online blood bank management system PHP, admin has the significant role, where client is also making request, but majority part is handling by admin. So guys, I think you people are very much clear about how to select the project title and all that things. If you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment section. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are having somewhat clarity about your UG level project, area, project technology, and some of the modules that I'm discussed within some of the project title. So thank you so much once again. Thanks a lot.